Next up, we have BAPI. He's already up here, Jon BAPI. Here we go.
Thank you very much. Everybody hear me okay? Are we on?
Volume up on.
Okay, how about now? Well, it's great to see a lot of familiar faces here. George, Tim. It's and a lot of new faces too, so this is kind of exciting. And I'd like to thank Scott for having us here again. By the way, my name's Jon Greenwald. I'm with BAPI. I help manage the distribution sales channel. And started in the industry in May 2000. So, again, that's why I see a lot of familiar faces, and it's an honor to be here, see everybody. But Scott had asked me, about when I started, and it kind of reminded me that Scott was actually my first sales call back in 2000. And you've come a long way since then, and we've got to see a lot of exciting stuff.
So you, Jack.
All the way to Dallas. So, in case you're wondering about BAPI, in case you're unfamiliar, we've been in business since 1993, celebrated our 30th anniversary. This is a picture of our facility in Gaze Mills, Wisconsin. In case you're wondering, Gaze Mills is in the southwest corner of Wisconsin, about 15 miles from the Mississippi River. And this is where we design, engineer, and manufacture 99% of our product. So it is a truly American-made company, and we do make a truly American-made product. So it's spacebar? Just okay, page down. Next slide. So we do offer some digitally communicating sensors, but I thought this would might be more interesting because it's kind of a crowded space right now. So I wanted to show you something that you could install parallel to your control system, or even integrate into your controller. So we have a new wireless system that communicates via Bluetooth Low Energy. And there's several different ways to install this product. You can actually use our gateway, which collects information from the sensors via Bluetooth, and then we upload it to the cloud. And you can take that, we can upload that information to your cloud. We can share the encryption with you if you're willing to do something like that. We also have our own service, which is a subscription-based service. And it's really, again, it's parallel to your control system. So it's a remote monitoring. And what the cloud service does is it will provide you with live data, whether either via the website, or you can log on via your smartphone or tablet. And it does provide alarming functions as well. So it is communicating with the user or the building owner or you, just to let you know that something is operating outside of a specified range. Okay. And again, what we call the WAM, or the Wireless Asset Monitoring System, it is an optional service for you to offer to your customers. Again, it can operate parallel with your control systems. So how does it work? So you would essentially install a wireless sensor, one of our wireless sensors, within range of a gateway, or within range of one of your Bluetooth-enabled controllers. And it just quite simply communicates with the gateway, and we upload that information to the cloud. If it's your cloud service, you can do whatever you like with it, set your own alarms, provide feedback to the end user, just let them know that everything is operating okay. Or if they use, you get a little bit more functionality if you use our subscription service, where you get the access to the real-time data and alarming. You can configure the alarms, you can configure the transmission rates, and we do have two-way communication between the gateway and the sensor. So you can actually configure those sensors on the fly.
What's your cloud called? What's your cloud called?
It's called WAM, Wireless Asset Monitoring System. So, and then of course we have our conventional wireless system, which would allow you to interface directly with our wireless system. We convert that signal to analog, and then you can just land those terminal or the wires on your controller. So, but this not quite as exciting as the WAM system is. It's just more generic.